CS2 skin market is near its rock bottom and many people invested in CS2 skins are suffering heavy losses. Many people are panicking on X and other platforms. Seems all hope is lost and we have not seen any sign of a market reversal so far. Is this truly the end of CS2 skins? Many people are missing the real culprit, social media hysteria. So today I'm going to talk about why social media is heavily affecting the current CS2 market. When it comes to social media on CS2 skin niche, then it's mostly YouTube, TikTok, X, and the Chinese version TikTok, since TikTok's Chinese users have an exclusive version called Douyin, on which most CS2 KOLs in Chinese scene are active. When certain skin is getting pumped, many people will know it first time by watching some YouTube videos or X posts. Since skins getting pumped usually are not skins everyone owns or holds, so the social media will divide people engaging with market into two groups, the happy face people and the unhappy face people. I know there could be some people not caring, but those are not the main focus in this video. So these happy face people here are enjoying their holdings, like he bought this pumped stuff early on, or most likely he would be in the mindset of riding the tide to the top and believing prices could be even higher, since on market many people are still buying the pumped item. While on the other hand, unhappy face people are thinking, how come I missed this? Like the infamous evil geniuses Holo. Many people had it in their inventory before they sold each for like less than $1. Even YouTubers, big KOLs on X could post these kind of words.
A month ago, €1.
So, since unhappy people are regretting why they sold so early, and many happy face people actually didn't take all their profits, there are not enough supply on markets. So unhappy face people could revenge trade, buying the pumped stuff or other skins they believe could also get pumped. It's the same thing when the whole market is in a bull run. Unhappy people will be buying as long as skin prices rise. Also, if you were happy face people but you decide to buy more since you want to make more money, then at this point you are joining the unhappy ones. The Chinese TikTok actually is a platform contributing a lot in this phase. Many KOLs, or as a slang in Chinese scene, teachers, posted a lot of videos of huge profit numbers on their portfolios. Some KOLs are selling their so-called insider knowledge as a service. If you want to know how high a certain skin can go or what is the next item to get pumped, you can pay a sub fee to enter their private groups. But there is no guarantee that any information you get in those groups will make you money. So now the market is still unbalanced, with more people entering those private groups for some info only telling them to buy certain skins. Surely they will rush to the market and buy, then FOMOers also join the herd. So all markets going insane, and we will see more videos and posts covering market going insane forming a loop. Social media signaling starting with the pump, unhappy face people feeling the pump. Pump gets harder and we get more posts and videos on TikTok, X, YouTube, or even Reddit. There are also pumps that short-lived so they can't enter this ideal loop, but those pumps also could get more exposure on social media afterwards and attract more people's attention towards the skin market, providing fuel for other pumps later. Although such loop is creating hard pumps, it can't keep going forever. There will always be some kind of market event triggering the crash, like Valve's game-changing updates. After spectating when skin prices or market went crazy, or Valve just fears there should be some changes made to the game, the updates like gold trade up, souvenir making, or even magazine change make certain skins crash in price or just bring down the whole market.
Really bad.
Then content creators and KOLs start posting on such catastrophic crashes. Valve's new update crashes the market is dead, CS2 investing is dead type of videos coming out on YouTube. At this point, people engaging with the market still could be divided into two groups. Happy face people are happy because they think they sold at the top, or they even got a profit by game changes and cashed out. And thanks to social media, market is over type content will only reaffirm happy face people's decisions. But social media will also get the unhappy face people even unhappier. All posts, videos recommended by algorithms are a slap in the face that unhappy people are losers in this market. Then they will regret not cashing out earlier, and social media will only make them anxious and result in selling the downturn or even selling the bottom. And again, market is unbalanced. Market gets more sellers, and for platforms like Chinese TikTok, KOLs in Chinese trading thing will post videos like, "Hey guys, we already cashed out. If you don't want to get trapped again, join my group," making unhappy people panic sell. Then the market crash lasts longer than many people expected. Content creators in this period still pump out many videos or posts proving market is over, fueling the market crash, forming another loop. Social media signaling the start of dump. Unhappy people cutting losses after consuming social media content. Market goes lower, more related content on social media gets pushed by algorithm. It's exactly what the market is experiencing most of the time this year, with Valve rolling out several unpopular updates on game mechanics, souvenir making, cologne sticker sale. All these events were acting as factors to market crash, also got magnified by social media. Each market event creates more unhappy face people, more people want to cash out, then the market only gets lower. In Chinese scene, many people were under the impression of quick market pump and dump just like last year, but the situation is different and there is no way for a market rally to happen in this summertime. When algorithm on TikTok is filled with market crash content for CS2 skin trading niche, the downward spiral loop is inevitable. Back in the days when we didn't have many price tracking sites or the same amount of social media coverage on Counter-Strike skins as we have nowadays, happy face people and unhappy face people also existed in the market, but the engagement with market is more focused on market and price itself. People still check prices frequently as today, but I don't think people back in the days got influenced by social media at the same degree, not to mention all these teachers, KOLs on Chinese TikTok. They played a big role in 2025. In 2026, many of them already left the scene. I'm not saying past is better than today. As a niche asset or investment, CS2 skins always have its own risks when you decide to frequent trade and try to profit. But now, with more social media coverage due to algorithms, maybe we could see more volatility in this market than what we witnessed in past years.